Hello, welcome back to S&G Automotive with my Steph. I've got Ben on the channel and Brody with his Kia. So we're going to do a review on it, so let's get cracking. So we're in the Kia, we just did some cinematics, some God, I can't even remember what it's called, drive-bys. Now we're just taking it out. Sounds good, doesn't it? So it's had a back box delete. Yep. It's also got a massive spoiler on it. On lower springs or coilovers?
Coilovers, 40mm around.
Nice. What wheels are they?
17s, RC.
RC, and you got from wheelbase? Yeah. Obviously it's got a lot of other mods like bonnet vents, which aren't actually in yet. Just testing the water where he wants to pit them, so they just don't want to stitch in on there. Induction kit, side skirts, roof scoop,
roof scoop, hydro dip wing mirrors, hydro dip grill, I've got the other exhaust to go on around 2 twin tips,
which is gonna be sweet. So you started getting a lot of hate at the start, didn't you, for this car?
Yeah.
And now a lot of people are starting to see and understand why it's so unique in it. No one really does Kias, no one really goes as crazy as you're going. And you've got to give him a lot of respect for that, because it's just nuts. I love it.
It'd be nuts when I get a 2-litre turbo in it.
Yeah, so he's got to put a 2-litre turbo in it, and then obviously a lot of mods from yeah.
What's nice is my car's known everywhere now around here.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, like I can't go anywhere and not get noticed.
Yeah, I think it's a lot of people love it.
Yeah,
and you can see that over like social media. At like we went to a meet last night, and people taking photos of it. Everyone was just checking it out, and it's just awesome knowing that all your hard work is suddenly paying off. Right, we're going to end the video there. I want to say a massive thanks for Ben jumping on the channel with his Kia. Thanks for Brody pitting up with us. Hopefully you lot enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, slap a like on it, and I'll see you guys very soon.